Hi, in this video I will be letting you know how to create the freelancer account for online working. You can go to the search and see type freelancer and head sign up for it. That enter the email account with you are registered. Select the password of your choice and click I agree the freelancer terms and conditions. Take the username of your choice. You can see the suggestions as well. Select either from there, or you can select any uh, username of your choice. To description, head for I want to work and sign up gets completed. It will take some time. So here you can select the skills you are looking to work with, and there are various categories are given according to your skills. In those categories you can see the detail there. Select any skills you like, and you can search the skills from the search bar as well, like ASP.NET, and you can keep selecting the skills and it will be getting populated in your skills. You can select 20 skills for startup, data processing, and anything you like you can add over there. So I have populated some skills there, and let's head. You can freelancer. Uh, Upon the pop-up, you can select any of your Facebook account. I am skipping it for now. Now you can upload your profile. Created already account there, which is running very good. I will be showing that how it is going. Here is in my account, freelancer account, and you can see the details. You can bid here, like go to the browse feature and search by projects, and you can see the details over there. You can see convert PDF to Word. So any category you like, you can select any project and bid. Like for me, if it is SQL Server jobs, I will be going to the SQL Server job. I will be selecting, like, this is the full stack developer job. I will be selecting that, and you can see he's asking for some skills, and I have skills over these, and I will be selecting the proposal. I have some created some templates already, so I will be just copying that, and I will be pushing it in description and head to place bid. So that's how you can place the bid. You can see my ranking over there as well, and you can keep on working there. So at the end of uh, this video I will be giving you special gift like invite friends. Once you sign up using that link, you will be getting $20 for it. So I will be pushing that to the uh, description as well, video description as well. And similarly, you can sign up via my link on Fiverr as well. So you can see those description as well, and you'll be getting $20 by freelancer and up to $100 bonus from Fiverr as well. Let me know any area you want to you want me to create the video. I will be going by that. Thank you.